team Seaside squad for me. Do you think you can do that? Ready after 3. 1, 2, 3. Please welcome to the stage. It's Annie, Rory, and Jazz.
Seaside squad, here to sing the road, cleaning up the beaches, calling boys and girls. And when they tell them nothing, we will know. Annie, George, Jazz, and Rory, here we go. Show your speed. I got the recipe, and it's called black magic. And it's called black magic. Take a sip of my secret potion, I'll make you fall in love. For a spell that can't be broken, one drop should be enough. Sing along with me. I got the recipe, and it's called black magic. And it's called black magic. Take a sip of a secret potion, one taste and you'll be mine. You cannot run, and you cannot hide. Yeah, you gotta face it, baby. Things go bump in the night. Wherever you run. Hard thoughts and you jump, coming down with goosebumps. You dare to go there? I'ma get you so scared. Coming to get ya. If you're only dreaming, why I hear you screaming. Calling all the monsters, calling all the monsters, calling all the monsters. This will hide on you, try kiss tomorrow goodbye. We thrill to your chill, looking for a freak out. We're wanting to, we're haunting you. We're coming to get ya. If you're only dreaming, why I hear you screaming. Tonight all the monsters gonna dance. We're coming to get ya. Calling all the monsters, calling all the monsters, calling all the monsters. Gonna paint it red, get inside your head. We're coming to get ya. If you're only dreaming, why I hear you screaming. Tonight all the monsters gonna dance. We're coming to get ya. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, we're coming to get ya. I was sitting at home on my sofa, watching my favorite show. Hey, hey, oh. PJs, popcorn and ice cream with no makeup on. Hey, hey, oh. Girls dragged me out to a party I didn't wanna go. Hey, hey, oh. I walked in and that's when I saw you. My heart hit the floor.
I get weird, I get shy, when you look me in the eye. Is it all in my mind? I can't bear a beat tonight.
Oh, I can't lie. I get goose, I get bumps, I get chills and I'm all shook up.
Hey,
I give in,
give in,
I give up,
I give up.
I surrender to your love. I'm a fool, I'm a mess. Got my heart beating out of my chest. I get goose, I get bumps, I get chills and I'm all shook up. I get goosebumps.
on your hips.
You bring your knees in tight, but it's the pelvic thrust that really drives you insane. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. It's so dreamy, oh fantasy free me, so you can't see me, no not at all. In another dimension, with voyeuristic intention, well secluded, I see all.
With a bit of a mind flip, you're there in the time slip, and nothing can ever be the same. Put your hands on your hips.
You bring your knees in tight, but it's the pelvic thrust that really drives you insane. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again.
Give it up for the Seaside squad! Everyone put one hand in the air and say goodbye, Annie! Goodbye, Rory! And goodbye, Jazz! Now, don't go anywhere, because coming up very, very shortly, we have your Seaweeds Spectacular Party. But for now...
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.